Welcome back to Beautiful Mind. If you're new here, I'm Roland Attenborough. I'm the leading GANN scientific and analytical researcher. Let's just dive right in today. I'm going to be talking about the weekly chart and Bitcoin. So let's just go take our counter and put this on here. Why is it so important? Well, right now, the highest price that Bitcoin has been right now, as you know, is 108. Well, let's just go out and see what kind of magic we can find with numbers. Oh, well, right now we are 108 weeks, and the price of the asset made it to 108,000. So William would say that price and time have come together, or are conjunct, or making an aspect. So typically we have, pullbacks from these things. What have they been moving up? Well, let's go again, measure these really quickly, and let's see what we can see for a possible pullback. Well, we've been talking about these 20% pullbacks right here. All right, so is that what we've been doing? Yeah, we've been doing these 20% pullbacks. They've been kind of like clockwork a bit. Here's our first one, right? Here's our second one, right? Well, 24%. And this one was a little deeper, again, signaling the end, right? This one was 30%. We've been talking about that, okay? So we can see from this top now, not fooling around, we can see, a 20% pullback for us, right, would represent 85,000, 86,000. And a 26% pullback matching 78. A 30% would bring us back to a cool 75, and 33%, which we could see, bring us back to this 72,000, which is sitting right on our old top, and that's a perfect area for us to sit down. All of these indicator lines are all converging up somewhere around here. Let's go take a look at our indicators really quickly. Well, this one's the most important one. Let's just take a quick look at it. After the fourth white bar, we typically have a death cross, just as we've done so here. Are we about to experience something like that? Well, not necessarily. What about this one? After 4, 5, we had a death cross and a resumption of the bull market. So I expect we're going to do something similar to this. Let's again move back. 4 white bars, 5, boom. There's our death cross. Again, 4 to 5, oh, and looks like we almost had a death cross. Moving backwards, nope. We only had 3 here and then a cross. Back further, yep, 4, death cross, and yep, the bear market. Not saying that we're having a bear market right now. Again, 4. And a death cross. Again, 4, and oh, didn't quite have a cross here. Market got strong, and the buyer stepped back in, and the resumption. So I'm expecting something similar, right, to that. We get a big fake out, and then this big blast off here. This is more or less what I'm looking to see here before the end of the year. Rally again. So just keep in mind, guys, this is what we're up against. Again, RSI, relative strength indicator, is turned down at the top here, indicating that the strength has left, or temporarily. Again, our leading and lagging indicator, as I'd like to call it, the stochastic, signals that something's happening. So pay attention. The volume is still really, really low, and we're at 100,000. So all the indicators and everything is telling me that something is up, guys. So peace and love.